start your Bluetooth connection, what we've got to do first of all, go to your mobile and go to the Bluetooth settings and make it discoverable. Now click on the phone there and click on connect device. It's now looking for it. Once it's found the phone, and here we have Mercedes-Benz phone, we click on that and we enter the passkey, and on your phone you get pair. Once it's connected, you can input your call list and your contacts, and then from then on the mobile can be controlled by the steering wheel or voice activated as well. Two more features that might be of interest on the mobile. First of all, with Multimedia Cockpit Interactive, there are dual Bluetooth connections, which means you can use your work phone and your personal phone and be connected at the same time. And finally, as an option, you can have induction charging by placing your mobile on this tray.